It is now time for me to eat Venezuelan food. Arriba! Let's eat. Pabellón Criollo. So much going into my mouth all at once, I don't even know where to start. Savory, tender, juicy, sweet. 9 out of 10. Arepa. It's thick, crispy outside, and just stuffs my mouth with this juicy meat like it's nobody's business. 8.6 out of 10. Tequeños. What? That cheese is perfectly warm and squeaky, and the outside is so fun. 9.2 out of 10. Cachapa. Tastes like dessert and dinner all in one, and it's very corny, just like my videos. 7 out of 10. Patacones. It's very saucy and salty and cute. 7.9 out of 10. Empanada. This one's got layers, crispy on the outside and a hot, juicy filling of meat on the inside. 8.1 out of 10.